Welcome to MediCap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this general medicine question. So this question was asked in the year 2024. Question was diagnostic criteria for acute kidney injury. Options given were increased BUN, increase in serum creatinine more than 0.3 milligram per deciliter in 48 hours. Then option C was decrease in urine output less than 1 ml per kg per hour. And option D was decrease in GFR. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to roll out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now, for acute kidney injury to happen, out of three things, one thing should be present. So, the correct answer is this. Either this should be present or increased serum creatinine more than 1.5 for the actual value in the last prior 7 days should be there. Thirdly, regarding the urine output, it should be less than 0.5 ml. Here they have mentioned 1 ml. It should be less than 0.5. So 1, 2, 3. Out of 3, if one of the thing is present, then we can say that yes, it is a case of acute kidney injury. Now I'll be telling you certain etiological factors for which will be responsible for acute kidney injury. So elderly patient, diabetes, chronic kidney disease, dehydration, chronic disease, and female gender, cancer, anemia, all these things, they are the susceptibilities. Exposure to sepsis, critical illness, circulatory shock, burn, trauma, cardiac surgery, then major non-cardiac surgery, nephrotoxic drug, and radiocontrast agents, all these things, they are the exposure. Main pathogenesis of acute kidney injury is the decreased renal perfusion, hypoxic injury, endothelial dysfunction, oxidative stress, inflammatory infiltration, inappropriate complement activation, then formation of microthrombi, cytokine-induced injury, direct tubular injury, and obstruction. All these, they are the main pathogenesis for the acute kidney injury. Now, increased BUN can be there, but it is not specific of acute kidney injury. These two things I have told you, this is the correct answer. And if it has been 0.5 value, then this would have been the correct answer. Then decrease in GFR. Basically, decrease in GFR is related to the chronic kidney disease and not with the acute kidney, you can say acute kidney injury, right? So I hope you get the answer now. Thank you.